Congratulations, you are a new FLP distributor.
You're excited and a little nervous? Maybe you're having second thoughts or doubts.
What have you got yourself into? Perhaps you're not really sure about network marketing. Or you've heard some bad things.
What will your friends say? Will they avoid you? Will your family think you're crazy?
And how will you make a success of this? And where will you find anybody interested in buying these products or even the business?
These thoughts are perfectly natural. Every new distributor has them.
I got them.
I had them too.
I had them too.
Now forget about them. The most important part of becoming a success at FLP is attitude. The one thing you do have complete control over.
It's being able to smile when somebody says no.
Being willing to try again and again when things don't go your way.
Seeing challenges not as obstacles, but as steps to achieving what you want.
That's the kind of people we are, the kind of company you have just joined.
And that's why the life you want is closer today than it was yesterday.
You've taken that first step. This is where your new story begins. So, where does it go from here?
It's up to you. Are you ready to turn your life into a story worth telling?
A story that people will want to hear, even copy.
Because if you made up your mind to succeed, you couldn't have picked a better place to do it.
Welcome. Yokoso.
Welcome.
Welcome to Forever Living Products.
Hi, I'm Greg Mon. I've been a distributor with Forever Living Products for more than 20 years, and I'm still very passionate about talking with others about our company and our great products. I'm also president of the company, and I too want to welcome you to the Forever family. Every person you've just seen was once right where you are now, and you wouldn't believe what they've achieved since. But don't take my word for it. Check out some of their stories on foreverliving.com. So what's your story, and what can we do to help you live it? Take that next step now. Forever has millions of stories around the world, and now one of them is yours. Let's make it one to remember. Together, we can create greatness.